People of the internet, it's Chris. I just made a little improvement to my miter saw dust collection. Let me show you how it works. This will be a quick demo video. I'll show you a little bit about the profile, and we'll keep it as quick as we can. Okay, there's what the final profile looks like. And then of course I got that little spring taped on the back. Did a pretty bad job of doing that, but whatever. There it is. Actually, I guess I could reposition it now before this thing gets really dusty. There we go. There's my nylon spring installed. There's the profile. Couple screw holes, well, 4 screw holes, 2 on each side. One where it comes around the side, and then one on the flanges that kind of stick up. And that just kind of bends it into this shape. Okay, you're here for the cut. So, all right, so I'm about to make 3 cuts, and I just disassembled this whole thing. The first one, I really don't want to do this, but I'm about to. I'm going to make this cut with no dust collection on at all, and I'm just going to throw dust everywhere. So, yep, here it goes. And I'm going to try to keep the cut feed rate at the same exact rate. So if I do any editing where I speed this up, it's just because I don't want you to have to watch me make a cut a bunch of times. Dust everywhere. That was horrible. I'm in a cloud of dust. All right, stock dust collection. There we go. Okay, here's the shroud. I've just got these 4 screw holes, 2 on each side, 1 on the flange, 1 on the side. That pulls it tight and kind of forms it into a cone shape like that. Of note, it stays on the outside of the guard. If this were 3D printed, I could come in here a little closer and improve this even more. And in theory, this could even go inside the guard without creating an interference. But we'll see what happens in the future here. So I'm just going to install this. All right, so there's that. Time for the test cut. So significantly better. Definitely no dust made it back to me as the operator. But there is still some dust. I don't know if it's from the first cuts or what, but there is still some dust that's flying a little bit. I can see it shooting out of here, and I can see it shooting out the other side where there's a gap in the guard. So this can definitely be improved by iterating it or using 3D printing to get a little closer in here. And but I'm pretty happy. It's definitely a drastic result, significantly improved. It's not as good as my old saw where I had a 2-part. I had a cone that came closer, and then I had a shroud that went over. I may end up doing something like that on this saw too, but this is at least something that I can work with and not eat a bunch of dust and not throw a bunch of dust throughout the garage while I'm working. Success. On to the next iteration of it. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, I'm going to throw a subscribe button right above me. Feel free to click it if this is something you're interested in. I'll have lots more videos like it. I'm going to put a couple videos over here to my right that I think you'll enjoy. Feel free to check them out. If you found some value in this video, hit the thumbs up button. It helps this video do a little bit better. So do your comments. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on this video or your tips that go along with it. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.